case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A high-profile case, United States v. Truong Dinh, involved significant questions about the handling of classified information and the reach of government investigative methods. Defendants Truong Dinh and Ronald Humphrey had been convicted of providing top-secret information to the Socialist Republic of Vietnam. However, the manner in which the investigation and trial were handled led to an appeal by the defendants. First among them was the claim of Fourth Amendment violation owing to warrantless surveillance and searches. Secondly, there was the question of whether the theft of government property statutes were rightly used. Further, the defendants cited Jenks Act violations, wherein the government allegedly failed to disclose all the statements made by government witnesses to the defense. Additional grounds included a denial of compulsory process, as well as evidentiary ruling errors by the lower court. The appeals court rendered a mixed verdict. It upheld the defendants' convictions and ruled that Fourth Amendment had not been violated, asserting that surveillance and warrantless searches were conducted within legal parameters. Contrary to the defendants' claim, the court held that the espionage statutes were indeed applicable. Evidence obtained after the investigation became primarily criminal was correctly excluded, and all of Truong's phone calls were intercepted to identify potential accomplices and to possibly understand any code language. A package bound for Paris under Truong's name was also subjected to a warrantless search by the FBI and CIA, with the courts deeming it permissible. However, where the defendants contested the application of the theft of government property statute, one judge agreed. This judge would have sought to reverse the defendants' convictions under this charge, believing it was wrongly used in this case. Furthermore, the court found no merit in the claim of denial of compulsory process, while all co-conspirator statements were deemed admissible under the co-conspirator exception to the hearsay rule. Yet, there was a remand back to the district court for further examination of certain documents that were only produced by the prosecution near the end of the trial. The appeals court wanted to assess whether these contained Jenks Act material, which should have been provided to the defense at the start. Thus, while the court largely upheld the initial conviction, it left the door open for further exploration of potential Jenks Act violations.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.